Mark?
What?
That sucks.
All right, guys, welcome back to another Bad Gas production. We're at it again tonight. It's hump day. Is it hump day?
No, tomorrow, bud.
Oh, that's tomorrow.
Good luck.
Not that it matters.
All right. All right, folks. So tonight we're working on putting the interior in the car. We got brand new carpet to go in, and all the back panels, and hopefully the back seats if we get there. Boys are working on cleaning things up. Got all the junk out of the car, got it vacuumed out and ready to go.
Jay still has a bunch of junk in the trunk back there, but
Got some junk in the trunk, baby.
That goes with a new haircut.
you have carpet on your head.
Okay, this is the front here, I guess.
Yeah, I can see the footwell, man. It's all good.
Got it? And so to explain what these guys are doing, they're essentially finding the hole with the awl, and then Rod's over there doing hot plates with the torch. He's heating up the bigger awl, so we can just melt a little hole where it needs to be. Just a nice clean way of doing it instead of using scissors or X-Acto blade. Nice back seat. You want the other parts?
Yeah, let's get the other part.
Where's that? So that seat has to come out. Is that right? What's in there?
Yeah. Kind of looks like we need to put some additional black carpet in the bottom there just to
Cover up the. Do we got any more?
uh
Any pieces out of that carpet?
well, no, but we can put, I have to get speaker stuff anyway, so
That looks good, mate.
Fucking back now.
that does look good.
Hurting?
Oh, watch your head, Rodney.
Oh yeah, look at these two lovebirds.
It's
Out on a date.
Second time we get in the car. Last time with another video.
Out on a date
Yeah.
in the Trans Am.
It's alright though.
That's cool.
Not bad.
Can you reach steering wheel from here?
I probably can drive it from back here, yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Nice and comfy.
Yeah. Nice seats. And they did a good job.
Sweet. I like it. I like it a lot.
Like that.
Oh.
Corey and I are here starting early. So we got some things to do. If you were following on last week, you know we started to put the back interior in this thing and it hit a roadblock. Mainly because, why? Because it wasn't together when we bought it. So
Yeah, so things didn't fit. A little bit of modding, some plastics.
yeah, that's right. So like anything, you know, you take a step back and you fix these little things, and you're gonna watch tonight. We're gonna take all of this apart and basically adjust a few things and put it all back in, and then we'll get this back seat done, ready for date night. Not with us.
Not with us, no.
No. All right, guys, let me bring you in and I'll show you what we're up to. There you go, you can see. All right, so we're just, we had all the interior in like we said, but we didn't like that you could kind of see a little bit between the seats in places and see the silver. So we decided to just put some light carpet in the back there just to pretty that area up a bit. Yeah, exactly.
Smoke tires.
Look at this. Relic showed up.
Relic.
Hey Jay, how are you doing?
The fact that you're old enough to know who Relic is funny.
The fact that I'm what?
Old enough to know who that is.
Relic?
Yeah.
There's not a lot of people there.
Yeah. Relic's in the off season. He's just collecting driftwood.
Yeah, well, that's the only thing you can do with it.
Yeah.
Sorry, Relic.
Yeah.
I just got that. Oh man. Yes, sir. It all fits. So we started today's video with taking everything apart here, and we're just reassembling.
All right, everybody. I cleaned it. Took everything out of it. Found out that someone in my garage put a bag of lawn seed in the back of my car. Didn't realize that.
Somebody put lawn seed in the back of your car.
I'm sure it was sitting somewhere in Trixie or somebody. I must have Trixie. She probably did. Maybe it was me. I don't know. Somebody moved it anyway. Moved it out of my car.
Yeah.
And the mice found it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, yeah, so there's grass seed everywhere.
Mixed with mice poop?
Mixed with poop everywhere. All right.
Well, at least you don't have any interior in it.
No, but there's a lot of vacuuming and cleaning, but which I had to do anyway.
Okay, what else did you do?
Got everything out of it and all put away downstairs, and took the weather stripping off both sides, and ruined the weather stripping channel on this side because it didn't want to come off. And that's about it. Actually, it took about 2 hours to do that.
Okay. Well,
But it was a start. And it wasn't. By that time, I was tired and cranky and didn't want to go any further. And
All right.
I'm gonna have to get some people over one night and do some windshield removal.
windshield removal? Yeah. Sweet, you can do that.
Oh,
Look at this. Look at this, folks of YouTube. There's a good friend.
Oh.
There's a good friend over there.
You weren't supposed to come. No.
Now let me ask
That's the
you.
only time you ever bring coffee.
Did you bring one for Diamond?
What?
Did you bring one for Diamond?
Thought Diamond was coming.
Yeah. You brought one for him?
there you go, Corey. You can have that.
Oh, nice.
Hey!
You
Brought us home.
Anyway.
Yeah, they gotta sell something.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
All right.
Coming.
All right. Look at this guy.
Whatever.
What's he got in his hand? What's he got in his hand?
You're supposed to bring your own self-serve.
Self-serve. Over here. Over there.
You brought some coffee, did you? No, there's tea. You can have tea though.
I'm just bugging, buddy.
There's 3 teas. Yours is a double double, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Hi.
Hey. You guys are just ripping and tearing at the wiring still, I see.
We're making it pretty.
Pretty.
You guys are making a career out of it.
You want us to rush?
No, not really. Side cutters. Sure. Side cutters. Side cutters. They're not Snap-on, I apologize.
Or myself, just this one.
Snap-on, feel free to sponsor the Bad Guys Shop.
They already do, don't they?
No, they-
Sorry, that's just Jason.
That's what's up.
All right, boys, time for the dash.
Still not gonna go in 100%.
What do you mean?
We don't have the space from us for the speakers.
All right, guys, so this is what we did. You can see the seats all back together. How y'all feeling about that?
I think it looks great.
Yeah, I think it looks good too. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, join us again next week for the next installment of Project Phoenix. Watch us bring this TransAM back from the ashes.
Hoot hoot.
Like always, pedal down, hands on the wheel.
Join us next week where we'll lay a 50-foot smoky burnout
Not in this.
in Mexico.
In Mexico, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.